Peace and love, bag babes. It's your girl Nashe. What's up? What's good? I want to say hey to my new subscribers and what's up to my day ones. Hope everybody's week is going well. Tonight we are gathered here to pack a sack, okay? We're gonna pack this little sack, and this handbag duo consists of a crossbody as well as her accompanying little wallet. So I've had this bag for a while, you guys. I've had this for definitely over 2 years. Just, just waiting for the right time to use it, I suppose. For those who don't know, this is my Layla basket. This is a basket that I use a lot of times when I'm transferring from purse to purse. This basket comes in handy to help me stay organized and makes it super easy when I have everything in one place and I don't have to go running around looking for purse items, okay? So again, we are talking about the Sac de Young camera handbag by the brand The Sac. And this is in the color Pyrite. And pyrite actually is a beautiful, beautiful color. It is a actual gemstone. It's a stone that looks like gold nuggets. And if you're not familiar with the pyrite stone, here is some beautiful pyrite stone right here. It is so pretty when the sun or light hits it. It just shines, shines, shines. And because of that luster and because of its look, pyrite stone, when it first came on the scene a very, very long time ago, was thought to be actual gold nuggets. It did earn the name fool's gold, and to this day people still call it fool's gold. It's also rumored that if you put a piece of pyrite in your purse, carried in your wallet or your pocket, you may very well attract some wealth and abundance. So hey, give it a try and let me know if that works, okay? Let's go ahead and pack this purse. I did pick this up from Macy's. I don't know if they're still actually making this particular camera bag in this color. I do like the Sac. I like that company because I find them pretty easygoing. The brand is also very much into conscious crafting and using sustainable materials. And so I do love that they are a conscious brand. Beautiful, beautiful color. It is all leather. It should definitely be spacious enough to carry my essentials. All right, so let's open this up. So pretty. So pretty. I once saw a lady wearing a pair of loafers in this color, and I loved them. I love them. All right, so this is the Iris wallet in the color Pyrite by The Sac. Oh, pretty cool. So here is the ID slot. We have more card slots here and card slots here. I believe this also is a slot. Very nice. Nice little zipper pull here. And this goes all the way down and opens up, and that is where I'll be storing my cash. So that is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So that is the wallet. Very nice. And then we have the actual crossbody, the Sac de Young camera bag. Oh la la. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. She is beautiful. And oh so lightweight. Wow, wow, wow. I like her. I like her. I like her. Very dull, brassy color. Has a little bit of like yellow, like golden, a golden hue to it. Some silver mixed in there. So it's a beautiful metallic mix. So beautiful. Here's a fancy zipper pull. Okay. And we have a little slip pocket in the back. Very cool. Very cool. So let's take this off. And it's a lightweight strap, but it's appropriate, I believe, it's appropriate for the size of the bag. This is not necessarily my favorite type of strap, but it is adjustable, so that's good, because something tells me I'm definitely gonna have to make this strap longer, which is fine. So let's see how easy that is. Okay, not hard, not hard. Okay, that was simple, but again, these type of straps, not my favorite, because to me they're a little wonky, but I feel like once I get my things in it, she'll behave herself. She'll behave herself. I am going to enjoy this, and I'm gonna be positive about it. So let's see if my things fit inside. I don't know why I'm even nervous, but I am. I just want everything to fit nicely. She is 7.5 inches wide. She is 5.5 inches high, and she is 2.5 inches deep. So the first item we'll put in this purse is going to be my little wallet here. I'm going to try to slide in some wet wipes, because you never know when you are on the road and not in your car if you'll need that. This little black pouch right here, cough drops in there. Stick that in here, in the back. Okay, I'm gonna slide in my key holder. I have this little pouch here, and inside I have my Fenty lipstick, and I have my lip oil that I recently purchased, and I'm actually really liking it. So that's that. That's gonna get slipped in. Now this might be the type of situation where I really can't have pouches, but we will see. So we have that. Might be the type of situation where I can't even put my glasses case in. Might have to keep my glasses on my face. Okay. I'm gonna throw this cash in the wallet. And as I'm looking in this bag, it's becoming more and more clear to me that I'm not gonna be able to pull off a bunch of pouches. I might actually have to literally put everything in loose to make it work. The next item I'm pulling out is my travel perfume, and this is my Billie Eilish. I started liking it and wearing it. I also wanted to slip in this small hand sanitizer. Let's see if that'll work. OMG, you guys, this is a situation. I might have to use one of my smaller hand sanitizers, so she's not going to work. Okay, my handy dandy trusty little first aid kit. Slide that in right there. Okay, OMG, will the handy dandy notebook fit? OMG. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Guys, handy dandy. No, okay. She fit. Okay. What else do we need in this bag? Oh, I might have to rethink some things, you all. I'm one that can forget her earrings, so I did want to keep this in the back pocket, but it might be going. Okay, I'm gonna slip it in the back pocket, or I might be able to put it in that wallet. I don't know, but I'm gonna slip this in the back pocket. Okay. Now I also wanted to slip in some girly goods because I'm a girl and on the road anything is possible. So I did actually want to slip this into the back pocket. Let's see if it will still fit. Now I do know there will be some stretching. It's leather and it will stretch. I'm gonna have to like fold the girly good for it to fit. Let's see. Okay, she fit in there. My earrings are in that pocket as well as a wipe. Okay, what's next? What's next? What's next? I have a small mirror. Ooh-wee, guys, it's looking real tight. It's looking real tight. Wow. Okay, small mirror. What else are we putting in here? I'm sweating. My face is like, I'm sweating. I have some Aquaphor, small little lotion. I'm gonna slide this into the back. Oh my goodness, this is a tight fit. Anything else? Now, you know, like I said, I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and I am currently walking, and there's always a dog. And so I should probably have this handy dandy flashlight in case I do have to take like some kind of evening run, even if it's to the corner store. So I'm gonna slide that in. This is not working out the way I wanted it to. I'm just gonna say that right now. And is there anything else I wanted to put in here? I mean, I could use this hand sanitizer and it will slip right in, but for those who are not new here, for my day ones know I don't like a fussy bag. So the hand sanitizer slipped in nicely. And then last but not least, I was gonna carry my my pepper spray, so I'm gonna slide that in there. And guys, this is the overview. I mean, it's not horrible. It's not horrible. Everything did fit, and I actually still need to put a pen in there. So the pen, I guess I could slip in the handy dandy notebook, I guess. Okay, so there's that. This is gonna be like frustrating though. Like if I'm in the store, or say if I am trying to jump on a bus or something and try to get like the transit card or some change, and I gotta fumble through this beautiful little baby girl, I'm gonna be so annoyed. So I am happy that everything fit, but I don't think everything fit, you know? This is not like a fit to me. Not a fit to me, not a good fit. So we are gonna have to rethink some things with this bag. And as I'm packing her, I do see here a little tiny bit on the side, like a little bit of the leather looking a little rubbed. Right there, a little tiny spot right there. A small little spot right over here. You might be able to see it if the camera's picking it up. Now, you see it? You see it? I definitely don't think that's from wear. I just think that is from the leather being the type of leather that will probably strip. And guess what? I'm not upset about it. This purse sat in my closet for a good little while, okay? And I'm gonna give her some time in the sun and get her out and about and she can have some fun. But I'm not married to the bags. I have a whole new energy when it comes to purses. If something happens to them, guess what? It's gonna add character. So I'm not gonna allow myself to be stressed out about a little bit of this when I know that I'm probably gonna be in this bag a good 2-3 days, if that. So let's move on. I'm gonna have to take everything out. I'm not pleased with this fit. Well, you all, I'm gonna end the video here. Please stay tuned for part 2 of Help Me Pack My Sack. I'll be talking to you all soon, and we'll get through this problem together. Until then, keep it cute. Peace